playing hard and playing with tremendous energy. Okay? Tremendous energy. We've learned our lesson enough. Okay? Like I said, let's put our foot down today and say, here's how we're going to play. You're not getting us out of it. We're going to play like that for 40 minutes. Okay? You're a harder playing team, big time energy, speaking to your teammates, getting them going. Like you're going into a fight, you got to have your game plan. You got to have great focus, right? Here's what we're doing. Here's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do it better than you do your thing, okay? I am fighting every 2 points. Every possession, I'm fighting, taking punches, giving punches, okay? Then you get your guy, you get some blood coming out of that nose, finish him, okay? Finish him. And that's every possession. That's at the last few minutes of the half. That's the last few minutes of the game. Finish today, all right? Let's go. Concentration, your focus, okay? Your focus, stick to the game plan. We're guarding them the right way, and we make it really hard on them when we give them one shot, right? Offensively, ball man movement, okay? Simple plays, being selfish, make plays for each other. Give them nothing easy, and go down there and be impossible to guard, and then finish. Yes, sir. Okay? Then finish, all right? Great shots. Relax, that's fine. We'll take that stuff. Way to fight! Way to fight! It ain't beautiful. Hey, stamp on it. Don't forget who you are and how hard you got to play. Great job. Now, family, on 3, 1, 2, 3.